Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Tab Solar sit-up boxing balls for speed punching. And that's a back. Solid ab and arm workout equipment for our home gym. More exercise fun than an ab machine or an ab roller. We get abdominal gym equipment right in our homes. That's possible with that here. This is the boxing set. It not only exercises the abdominal muscles, but it also suitable for stretching, legs exercising, twisting, sit-ups, and arm exercises too. We can exercise different parts of the body with only one tool. The innovative product design makes it very interesting while exercising without causing fatigue. Attention to the detail. Using top quality materials. The surface is treated with an anti-corrosion coating to ensure the durability and lifespan. And the leg straps are made of high-performance nylon, which can be easily fixed on our legs. The freestanding boxing bag is designed for optimal and safe use, with a strong and durable spring at the bottom of the shaft. This allows the spring-loaded boxing bag to bounce back into place after each hit, and safely hit out in our frustration or change our fitness style with these boxing balls here. It will help increase our heart rate for a great workout, while also helping us master timing, speed, and accuracy in hand-eye coordination. And clear and conscious instructions makes assembly, of course, easier, as you can see. When not in use, the air inside the boxing balls can be exhausted. It is easily disassembled and does not take a lot of space. We can also store it under the bed, on the balcony, and anywhere we want. It is very small and very easy to carry. It's not only suitable for the gym, but is also used at home, in the office, and even in outdoor activities like camping. These products are very interesting and can increase communication and interact between family members. These boxing balls are very suitable for boxing training, for teenagers, for young people, and of course for adults, men and women, aged 13 and above. And it makes a cool and easy job to do this outdoor, for example, on the green, where you like. First thing is an easy peasy installation, of course. First, we have to inflate the punching balls until it is full weight. Then we assemble the punching ball. We attach the mounting plate to our lower leg using the fixation straps. And then we secure the punching ball to the mounting plate using the bolt. Unlike traditional abdominal curl exercises, the workout method of this product is extremely entertaining, combining punching target forms that make each punch and curl invigorating. Similar exercise formats to this product can be found in gyms, but they require the cooperation of two individual or complete with workout. Now, with this product, the home abdominal fitness equipment, we can complete it alone at home. This offering flexibility and convenience. Additionally, this product features a compact size that's easy disassembled and of course easy assembled, and because of this, it's portable. And we can easily use that product, as you can see. We rest our buttocks and feet on the ground. We stabilize our core. We fasten the shin guard to our lower leg. We cross the punching target on the shin guard, and achieve an abdominal curl effect. You see, it's easy. And of course, if I can handle this, you will perform this much better. We can embark on our abdominal workout journey and have a great day with this. This is cool and this is easy. And it makes your health status much better. This boxing balls adopts a simple screw installation method, which is easy to assemble and disassemble again, and it's convenient to carry and store. The PU leather of the boxing bag is wear resistant and soft, this allowing us to experience an excellent hitting feel. The adjustable leg strap designed adapts the different leg shapes and provides us with a comfortable wearing experience. We meet the needs for more people in the fitness field. The recreational optimal trainer helps relieve the stress of the daytime, improves reaction ability, hand-eye coordination, and arm muscles, strengthens the waist and arms, and strengthens the stomach. We enjoy a fan of exercise with highly elastic leg straps. The leg straps are made of high elastic nylon material, and the tighten can be adjusted according to our preferred comfort level and can be easily fixed on our legs. And we have a fitted chin pad. The surface of the chin guard is treated with an anti-corrosion coating, and the high-quality materials ensures durability and service life. Ergonomic design, perfect fit for our legs. And we have a stable and solid spring system. The high-performance spring ensures our snap back into place quickly after each hit, and it can withstand multiple punches without deforming. It's easy peasy to use, and of course easy peasy to assemble. We have here a sit-up boxing ball set. The materials are nylon and PVC. The weight is 1.8 pound, 800 gram. The size is 9 to 7.5 inches. These are 23 to 19 centimeters. And we get 2 sit-up boxing balls and a pump, so we can inflate our balls. Easy peasy, baby. This is the sit-up boxing balls. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.